Hello everyone. Let's dive into the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower computer case. This case aims to deliver a blend of aesthetics, functionality, and cooling performance, all at a price point that won't break the bank. First impressions are solid. The tempered glass side panel gives a great view of the components inside, and the overall design is clean and modern. The inclusion of 3 ARGB fans right out of the box is a huge plus. 220mm reverse intake fans at the bottom are designed to pull cool air in, while the 120mm rear exhaust fan helps expel hot air. This setup creates a positive pressure environment, which can help reduce dust buildup inside the case. One of the standout features is the temperature display. This embedded monitor shows real-time system information, including CPU, GPU, and ambient temperatures. The Zeuscast software allows for customization of the display, and users can easily switch between CPU, GPU, ambient temperature, or turn the display off via the I/O port. This is a feature rarely seen in cases at this price point and provides valuable insight into system performance. In terms of build quality, the GAMDIAS case feels sturdy and well-constructed. There's ample space inside for cable management, which is crucial for a clean and organized build. It supports ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 340mm in length, and CPU air coolers up to 160mm in height. For liquid cooling enthusiasts, the case supports up to a 240mm AIO radiator. The airflow is quite good, thanks to the 3 pre-installed ARGB fans. The reverse intake fans at the bottom are a nice touch, as they directly target the GPU with cool air. The ARGB lighting is vibrant and can be controlled via the motherboard or the LED control button, allowing for customization to match any setup. The case also supports up to 5 fans in total, providing options for further cooling upgrades. The GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower computer case offers a compelling package for gamers and PC builders on a budget. The inclusion of 3 ARGB fans, a tempered glass side panel, and a unique temperature display sets it apart from the competition. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of high-end cases, it provides excellent value for the price and is a solid choice for those looking to build a stylish and functional gaming PC without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.